text, and you could be next. Hello, my name is Scott Winberry. I have 10 years of law enforcement experience. I've charged and convicted thousands for driving violations. I've also been to many fatality accidents and seen firsthand the outcomes of people who were texting while driving. Texting while driving has become a common practice for many people and is extremely dangerous. Many states have now established laws that they must enforce when you are caught texting while driving. A study by the University of Washington says answering a text message takes your attention for about 5 seconds. Now that's enough time to travel a football field. Imagine if you were going 70 miles per hour on the highway, received and checked your text message, rear-ended a car. What a lot of people don't know is that the body still travels at 70 miles per hour upon contact when it stops. So you're hitting the steering wheel at 70 miles per hour, even though your car is stopped when you make contact. Today we will talk about the laws and penalties regarding text messaging and the dangers of driving with these distractions. I'll also give you some tips about how to stop yourself and your kids from driving while texting. Thank you.